Eureka, Grade 2, Module 3, Lesson 1. Bundle and count ones, tens, and hundreds to 1,000. Uh, Hi. Oh, over here, under the box. It's so heavy. It's my new shipment of craft sticks. Do you think you could help me put it down? Oh, thank you. What a heavy box full of craft sticks, but we've got this. However, there is one problem. I need a certain amount of craft sticks for an art project I'm working on, and nowhere on this box does it say how many craft sticks are inside. So that means I need to count them. I wonder what the best way would be to count all of these craft sticks. Do you have any ideas? How can we count all these craft sticks in a way that's fast, accurate, and efficient? That means we really want to be able to do it quickly, but we also want to make sure we do it well. We want to know how many craft sticks are in this box. I think I might have an idea. Maybe it's the same idea you came up with. We could split them up into groups, and we could count by twos, fives, or tens. Let's take a closer look. If we count all of the craft sticks in that large box by ones, it could take a really long time. That's a big box of craft sticks. We could count them by twos. That would make the work go a little faster. We could also count them in groups of fives. That might even speed it up more than by counting by twos. Or we could even bundle sticks into groups of tens and count by tens. What do you think? Which way should we count our sticks to make the work go faster, but to still be accurate to make sure that we're counting them well? Would you count by ones, twos, fives, or tens? Remember, our box is big. Which way would you count? Great! Did you say tens? That was my idea too. I think if we were to group all of our craft sticks into groups of 10, our counting would go much more quickly. Here we go. Open the box. Let's start grouping our craft sticks into groups of 10. One group of 10, another group of 10, more tens. Wow! There are a lot of sticks in this craft box. Oh my goodness, and even more! That is a lot of sticks. Whew, well, I am pretty good at counting by tens, but I wonder, is there a way we could count these groups of 10 even faster than by counting 10, 20, 30, 40? Do you know another way we could group besides just grouping into 10? Think, think, think. Did you say hundreds? If you did, you're right. Now that we have these groups of 10, we can even make groups of 100. I wonder how many groups of tens it takes to get to 100. Let's look at this bottom row of bundles of 10. We're going to count by tens until we get to 100. Here we go. Let's start here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. It took all of the groups of 10 that I had on this bottom row to get to 100. Let's count together how many groups that is. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 10 groups of 10 will give me one bundle of 100. Wow! This is going to make my counting go even faster. Let's review where we've been. To make my group of 10, I needed 10 individual sticks. Now, to make my group of 100, I needed how many groups of 10s? That's right, 10. Let's do it again. Let's count out 10 more groups of 10 and make another group of 100. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's take that and make another group of 100. We're doing great. Let's count out another group of 10 tens. This time when we count, let's count by tens. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Another group of 100. Wow, let's see if we have enough to make one more group. Let's keep counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let me make sure that's 10 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is. There's my last group of 100. Wow. 10 craft sticks made one group of 10. 10 groups of 10 made a group of 100 craft sticks. So now that I have 4 groups of 100, I have 400 craft sticks. 100, 200, 300, 400. Wow! 400 craft sticks. That's amazing. What is another way to say 10 tens? 100. We found that making groups of 10 made our counting easier. Then making 10 tens made it even easier by making a group of 100. You're pretty smart. I have a challenge question for you. Are you ready? How many hundreds do you think it would take to make 1,000? I'm going to say that again. That was exciting. 1,000. How many hundreds do you think it takes to make 1,000? Well, let's review what we know. One stick, when we have 10 of those, we could make a group of 10. When we had 10 tens, we could make a group of 100. So how many groups of 100 would it take to get to 1,000? That's what we want to figure out. Think closely and do your best. Let's look again. 10 ones made one group of 10. 10 tens made one group of 100. So how many hundreds do we need to make a group of 1,000? If you said 10, you're correct. Do you see a pattern? Remember, math is full of patterns. 10, 10, 10. I see a pattern. Our number system is what we call a base 10 system. That means it takes 10 of a smaller unit to make one of the next largest unit. Let's check this out. 10 sticks will make one group of 10. 10 groups of 10 will make one group of 100. That means 10 groups of 100 will make 1,000. 1,000 craft sticks when I have 10 groups of 100. Wow! Let's review all of our units starting with the smallest. First, we had our ones. What's our next unit? That's right, tens. Do you know the unit that comes after tens? Hundreds. And what comes after hundreds? Thousands. What is another way to say 10 tens? When we have 10 tens, we have... If you said 100, pat yourself on the back. What is another way to say 10 hundreds? That means when we have 10 hundreds, what is another number to describe that? If you said 1,000, pat yourself on the back. We worked hard today. This is a base 10 system. 10 ones makes one group of 10. 10 tens makes one group of 100. And 10 hundreds will make one group of 1,000. Woo! I am so proud of you. You get a chance to count by ones, tens, and hundreds to 1,000 on Seesaw. Head back to Seesaw. We've got some fun counting to do.